How and what I become. Hi, Charles here. I hope you had a great Thursday morning. So it's Thursday and almost Friday. So good luck for today. Walk with faith today, right? So yeah, let's dive into the topic. How and what I become. They say that experience is the best teacher. And indeed, totoo nga yun. So, yung kwento ko yesterday nga, 'di ba? I've work or after graduation, I moved to Manila to work, and I could say na talagang mahirap siya nung una. Syempre, I live there independently, wala sila mamang papang, and parang kumbaga na culture shock ako kasi bago yung environment and syempre ang daming tao, magulo, maingay, so talagang it's parang roller coaster ride talaga siya for me. And syempre yung kaka-start ko pa lang nun, and I've been parang striving really hard na to fit in, or alam mo yun, yung career wise. Syempre kaka-graduate ko lang nun, so somehow may na-achieve naman, I would say, na kahit papano nag-level up naman. Diba, sabi ko nag-call center ako, and eventually nag-supervisory level naman. So somehow those experiences talagang it taught me a lot of things, na yung buhay ay hindi madali, right? And you have to make better choices talaga, kasi yung pinaka goal ko actually is to really help my family, kasi we're not silver spoon. So talagang kailangan ko talagang i-help, diba, to make it better. Well, I guess seeing now my family, and yeah a lot, right? Basta wag ko nang i-discuss pa in detail, pero through that experiences, I would say I become parang mas naging mature ako. I've learned to parang decide kung tama bang i-big deal ang mga bagay-bagay, or just focus on the good things, control what you can control. Yung parang ganon. Mas na-realize ko na in every decision, every action mo, kailangan mo rin isipin yung iba, especially sa case ko, yung family ko, makakabuti ba to sa amin, parang ganon, or sa akin personally, diba? And so yun lang, I guess through the years I've experienced a lot, and I'm grateful for that experiences. What I become now as a mature person, diba, ang dami. So I hope you do the same. Kung marami ka na experiences, I hope you've learned your lessons too, right? And use that experiences to become a better person, right? To share goodness, or share that experiences to others. Baka yan yung kumbaga para makapulot sila ng aral. And yeah, me too. Somehow I'm doing this vlogging thing, or ano ba tong content creation, right? Kasi yun naman talaga yung intention So yeah, I hope kung saan ka man ngayon, kung bata ka pa, right? Sabi nga nila, pag bata ka pa, parang bata ka pa, hindi mo pa alam. So true enough naman. So follow your parents, or yung mga mas nakakatanda sa inyo, kasi alam na nila yun yung mga bagay-bagay. So I guess mahaba na to. Yun lang, right? So again, good luck for today, and share goodness and love to the world. Annyeong! Bye bye!